curry chickpea in coconut milk sauce or chickpea curried in coconut milk sauce. Hey guys, I know we just finished Lent and I did intend to post this video. For one of my subscribers slash my dentist, this video is for you. I won't say your name. Here is how a Jamaican preps her chickpea, call it garbanzo, whatever you want to call it. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. So I use ground turmeric, a little ground ginger, and I get all my seasonings together. Added some curried powder to some olive oil for prepping this. Now, once you add your curry, or once I add my curry to the oil, I allow to burn for at least 1 minute. You don't want this burning too much. Then I added turmeric, ginger, and I'll be adding in garlic. Feel free to use whatever herbs and spices you want to. I use onions, bell pepper, Jamaican style hot pepper because I like spice. I use a little rosemary. Feel free to use whatever you want. You don't want your curry to burn where it's getting too dark. Added my seasonings to my pot to just saute quickly, and feel free to use whatever seasonings you choose. This is my pot, my way, and I will be eating it. I'm doing some curried chickpea, and you will see me going shortly to another country because I am in the cultural dish thing. So you will see me prepping roti, dal, bust up your shot, whatever you choose to call it, with some chickpea. But I just wanted to post this chickpea video to show you how I prep my chickpea. This chickpea is already cooked. It's in a tin, and I pour the water off or drain the water off, and then I wash them. The liquid it's in, it's not salty. Feel free to have this with your rice, whatever veggies you choose to have this with. I had this with some roti, bust up your shot, dal puree, whatever you choose to call it, which you will see in another video because my next country will be India. They love to prep chickpea and also the dal puree, bust up your shot, whatever you call it. I added me a little hint of salt. I used a little Maggi chicken bouillon, hint of black pepper, garlic powder, cayenne pepper because that's my business, and a little Maggi chicken bouillon just to add flavor and taste. And once I stir, I'll be adding some water. And I added room temperature water to this because you want to have gravy, and a little oregano. Feel free to flavor with whatever you choose. And because I'm Jamaican, I love to use pepper. And this is a meat substitute. Added me a little water at room temperature, and feel free if you want to use beef or chicken broth, you can, and that's the reason why I used chicken bouillon to help to add flavor. And I did this in coconut milk, so I added some frozen coconut milk to this because that's my business. It is chickpea, curried chickpea in coconut milk or chickpea curry in coconut milk. And let me tell you something, this dish was delicious. No meat, and I really did not miss any meat. Try your chickpea this way and you can't go wrong. Coconut milk helps to enhance and add flavor and additional taste to this. And then I added a little more water because I wanted some gravy in this to eat with my roti. My roti video will be coming up, and you will also see that I did this with chickpea. That will be my Indian style dal, bust up your shot, whatever you want to call it, with my chickpea curry or curry chickpea in coconut milk. Look at that. Tell me this ain't bomb. Your girl felt like working today, and I did add a little bay leaf in it to help to add flavor and taste. This was lit. I'll do it again. I love it, and I'll come and I'll give also another video at some point how I do a meatless stew peas. Lots of vegan dishes with the exception of not having meat. This is just a little look at my bust up your shot. Stay tuned for my video when I go to India next, but you will see this before I post that full dal puree, bust up your shot roti video, which will be my Indian video. See you soon.